mag-vlogger na daw tanan. So, actually, mauni ang trending karon na topic sa Facebook. Kay, tanan taon na lang daw mag-vlogger. Ang ako lang ani na video is to share my experience kay I have been vlogging since 2018. Tinuod magkakwarta mo sa inyong vlogs. Akong vlogs, naka-earn ako sa YouTube, naka-earn na pod ko sa Facebook. Pero here's the catch. Not every month makadawat mo og sweldo unless trending jud tanan inyong mga videos na gina-upload. Naay mga buwan na wala ko sweldo, like recently wa jud ko sweldo sa YouTube ug sa Facebook. Pero in the past naatoy mga monthly makadawat ko kay naakoy mga videos na tag-as kayo og views. So that's the good part of vlogging. Naa jud mo ipaaboton. Pero, don't set your expectations too high because ma-disappoint niya mo. Not everyone will be supporting you sa inyong vlogging career. Even your friends and relatives might not support you. But, ang nakanindot sad kay, you will find people who will watch and comment and share your posts even if they are strangers. And mo na nakanindot sa vlogging, you will find new people, you will meet new people virtually who will be supporting you, which is outside of your circle, mga dili ninyo friends, dili ninyo relatives or family, but they will continue to support you. And blessing na kayo na siya, guys. Each of their views, each of their comments will help your video go up the algorithm. So, nindot kayo na siya. So, akong ikasulti lang, if ganahan mo mag-vlog, go ahead. If wala mo nindot na camera, continue. Because I started with my phone, just my phone, until eventually, nagkakwarta ko. And eventually, nakapalit ko on mirrorless camera na Fujifilm. And then, eventually sad, nakakuha ko or na ako'y GoPro. So, dili tanan mag-start og vlogging na nainindot na kayo naka-equipments. Ang editing na ko before, luckily, I have a laptop already before na magamit na ko for editing. But you can always use your phone to edit your videos. So, ayaw jud mo kawad ang paglaom if ganahan mo mag-vlog. Pag-vlog na dayon mo, sugdi na dayon na. Pero, agwanta ha, because there will be times na dili mo makakwarta. There will be times na no one will be supporting you. There will be times na mingaw inyong videos, wala kayo views, wala kayo reacts, wala comments. But still continue. Maybe one day, wala gin mo mag-expect na kana na video inyo hang gibuhat. Mo trending na siya, mo million views na siya. So, good luck sa inyo ang vlogging career. And I hope you will also support fellow new content creators. So, if you want support from fellow vloggers and wala pa mo'y community, feel free to join us, BYC Content Creators Club or Bisaya YouTubers Club. I-search lang mi sa Facebook, naara jud mi. And if ganahan mo appeal sa among group chat, ing na lang ko. And dili mi maka-promise na mo support ninyo, but we will try. Our group chat still exists as of today. 2018 po na siya na-create. So, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Once again, don't lose hope, pero kayod lang gihapon kay. Of course, you will not be earning thousands of pesos in just one video. I have created thousands of videos, but I have not earned millions yet. So, fingers crossed, God bless us all. Hinaot maka-reach ta og mga million pesos in the future sa ato ang earning sa vlogging in YouTube and Facebook. God bless everyone.